Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Hear Me subscription. Okay, so first of all there are one very easy method by which you can cancel your subscription. First of all you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website you just need to simply log in into your account by clicking on login button. You need to enter your email ID or password, and once you logged in you need to provide you need to visit on your subscription page. The item you have selected, like your capsule form, your drop spray form, you can select your item, and then we can select treatment. Okay, you need to select your treatment and you can cancel your treatment very easily. Okay, so if you have not received your first treatment, so how you can cancel your subscription? You need to send an email. The email format you can see on your screen. You just need to compose an email. This is only an example, and once your email is done you need to ask a proof of cancellation also in the end. And in the email you need to mention like you have not received any kind of product, you just want to cancel your you can select treatment or subscription, and you need to send the email address that is like hello@hearandme.com. This is the email address. Okay, and once they receive, you can also find their email on the internet. Okay, so once they receive your email they will cancel your treatment. So there are two methods. If you don't receive any treatment, you can send an email. If you received your first email, you can treatment, then you need to log in into your account, and you need to find your treatment and you can cancel your treatment. Okay, so there are two methods. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.